Hello everyone. Today here we will be discussing about Nifty 50 calculations and its analysis. First, let me show you the calculations that I have forecasted in my Telegram channel. You can see here Nifty 50 encoder calculations, future must hold target and reversal area. So you can see the price here 17,675.10, 17,114.35. So I have given buy at this area 15,834. From there it reaches 17,675. Once the price touches here, it will drop. Actually, it will retrace a bit. It's not a complete reversal or a big reversal. It might happen, but it will stop there. The price, it has to stop there in between those zones and it will decide there only. There is no doubt. This is based on pure mathematical calculation, one of my secret analysis. Once the price reaches here, it might break up a little bit up, or it will range around 17,675. From there it will decide. Must hold and 100% will decide here and can also reverse from here. So you can see the price right now, it has almost reached the target. The first target was actually here 17,114.35. I asked the members to book profit here, but actually the price, it keeps pushing up. So once it reaches 675, you can exit all the buy entries, you can book your profits here. The most likely it will drop, at least it has to drop from here to here, and then it will decide. Actually, very important calculation. Once the price, let me show you on daily. If the price holds and if we see a big drop here, it could actually come down and it might retest here and then drop up to here, because there is a big resistance area and there is also stop and region at this place. So it could come down and from there it could go up, or it could range here actually. So it is not necessary the price it has to drop, so it can also do this here. It might range here a bit, up, down, up, something like that. There will be a huge consolidation phase here. Here the calculation, it says that it has to stop here, which means it is the target and it is not necessary it should drop, but based on the reaction and the price confirmations we get here, we enter the trade or we decide based on that. If the volatility is good and if you see a big drop, like I mentioned earlier, we go for a sell here. If not, we might just wait and see how the price reacts in these areas and we will decide based on that. Actually, it is the wiser decision to take, rather than expecting something and losing. If we see the confirmation and if we enter, it would be based on calculations. In future, if in case the market, after consolidating, after ranging a bit here at this region, or price even if it comes down here and later on if it pushes up, we might see a target of 19,408. It should hold there. Actually, it will be the future target. But right now, this might actually take months and years to happen. But once it goes there, you will understand. You will see in the future how the mathematical calculation, it controls the entire market. Actually, here you can ask me, how can you say it is a buy? Only and only if you see a buy direction here. If not, if you see a further sell around 738, you might also see a little bit of retracement here. From there it can actually drop. Okay, let's check in the weekly. Let me clear this. If in case retracements of sell begins, it might actually come to this region. There is a resistance here, okay, almost to actually come here or here, and from there it will decide actually. So it might continue the buy phase again, if and only if it drops. So side by side I will update based on the price confirmations and how it decides actually. So the calculation varies based on every move, so I'll update it later. So as of now, the market, it's in buy area. In future it can go up to 19408, even a little more above that, let's say 19870, something around, yes, 30. This should be the range, same as this. See, at the last time I forecasted this is what I meant. This is not a exact reversal, but we saw a major correction at this place. I mean exactly 15299, 14738. Here once it touches that price, yes, you can see here exactly from there this high instant drop, and from there on it pushed up again to reach this price, and from there it dropped to here. So this is what I'm expecting here. If in case the price again it touches the 17114 and again it pushes up, it will be a further continuation of this long buy trend. If not, if you see a big reversal, like a big crash, something like here, and it might actually come down to this region, and again here this is a decision area only. From here, if it again holds, it can go up actually, like I mentioned earlier. From once it drops, and it can actually either hold here or it can visit here from here actually. Yes, so consider this as a decision making area, and from there you use some other analysis of your own, or some other calculations, or some another forecast of your own to trade. I'm sure we know so much in advance based on these lines alone. So let's see in weekly trend line how it is moving right now. We can draw different sets of trend line here. From here it has started, from here it just keep pushing up only. Yes, it's really good. It's like a ladder. See, up, down, again up, down. From here again it touches this trend line. From there it pushes up actually. So it could drop from here to test again and decide if in case if it breaks big, it will be of different decision. This is overall trend line. We can actually draw a few more trend lines here based on this one. And also there is something here connecting this with this. Okay, why I'm connecting this is this low is the reason this candle it breaks this high actually. Okay, this high is broken by this big green candle, and this price is the reason, so I'm connecting that low. Same here actually. This high it is broken by this candle, this low is the reason almost. So same here, this high is broken with this candle, this is the reason actually. You can actually draw one more candle. I don't want to confuse you, but still this would be make much more sense. Yes, this is of a different angle. So overall up, down, and this high is very much important because this showed the continuation of trend actually. From there this candle is the reason, this low is very important. Okay, so from there it again went on to make a new high, and from there it again pushed up here. So this low here pushed up more, this low here pushed up more. So these are all very important levels, so mark this and trade based on that. As of now the market is pushing up. I'm expecting drop anywhere. It's not necessary that it should 1765, but if it touches there, it would be of utmost perfection. Let's see where the price drops, and the future market, sure it will amaze you. Just wait and see how the price reacts in between these two prices, 17,675 and 17,114. Okay, if you have any doubts, feel free to message me in Telegram. This is my ID, this is my channel, Price Action Expert, this is my group chat, Price Action Forex. You can join it, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me here. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.